Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn the power how we can utilize ChatGPT powers. So by writing a business email for a franchise request, how to ensure to make sure the points to be added in this email and pricing and how to get a chance of this business franchise. Let's see. I just try to request this template with the help of ChatGPT. I'm trying to getting I'm asking ChatGPT, write a business email for franchise request. Let's see, is it possibly it will create a email template? Yes. See, the franchise request, it's a creating like a dear franchise offers. Who are the franchise is offering, the person's name it is requesting. And here I am writing expressing my interest of the possibility being franchise your successful reputable business, having researched your brand and product services, believe that the company's mission values align my own personal and professional goal. So to getting a way of the formula of writing an information which is needed to get in a professional way, how super easily we can prepare not only this business email, business email, and also you can prepare any of official email or any of legal documents if you need. Yes, you can create it. And particularly impressed and greatly appreciate the opportunity discussed of the possibilities become franchise, and thank you considering my request. I look forward hearing from you sincerely, name. So this information if you added, and wherever it is required to change a highlight of specific aspects of franchise business, means what the highlights you require to get and in touch of creating a franchise business with a partnership. So ensure to making such a great business emails or letter formats. Yes, you used to create and make to send in a way of officiality. I hope it will help you to greatly expand your business and communication making strongly with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you.